Hi guys, my name is Rushabh. Today's date is 2 August 2022. Today we are going to learn what is the call methods and their return types. How to call the method and how to return the value of a method. So first we know what exactly mean by the method. So method is nothing but the functionality. It is a function which we define inside the class. Whenever we define the class, where inside the main method, we declare the method, which method is consisting of various type of statements. It is a group of a statement we can call. So it consists the various type of values. So when we declare the method can also have their definitions. So whenever our program is going to run, it executes the first main method. So after that main method, whatever the address is there, it goes to that address for execution for the next line of a program. So when we're talking about how to return a method, how to get the value returned from a method and how to call the method. So we can call the method inside the main method of a public class. Whenever we write a public static void main string args, in that I can write, suppose we take an example, I can write that that my code parenthesis. So in this way our method is created. So now for returning that method, I want to store that method value somewhere, right? So somewhere I mention the value. That method can return the value or can store the value in the form of integer, string, and float, double in any data type. So now in the primitive data type, our return type is what? Majorly in the primitive data type. So in the primitive data type, what exactly is there? The primitive data type, it store only the address. It is not store the whole information or whole data of the method. So our variable just store the address. So I declare like int a is equal to my code parenthesis. So my method is created. After that, I return the private static int my code, and after that method I called. So in this way, again I declared firstly we declare the my code, and after that I declare integer my code. So that my code will return the value to the main method. So return my code. So that will return the value to the main method. So this is without any argument. I'm not provide any argument in the method, and you can also write with the argument. So what exactly in the with argument? Suppose I write integer a is equal to my code a comma b or 10 20. I provide the argument. Argument is the form of values. So I providing the values. I defining it in the main yes, private static void int. I define that method integer first, integer second. So I provide their parameters that we call the parameters. So again I call that parameter that return a multiplied by b. So here I make a sum name variable int sum is equal to a plus b, and after that I write like return sum. So that return will return the value to the int a main method. So that value is going to the main program, and our value is returned, means 2 plus 10 is 12. So that value we display in the main method. In main method also we write the print statement like system.out.print a. So that a will give the value of that sum, because we return it from the next class. So that is all about that is all about of the method, how to call the method and the return type in the Java programming. Thank you so much.